Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. I am trying to get used to being in front of the camera. It still feels really weird, but I did want to come on and say, first of all, thank you to all of our new subscribers. Shonda and I really appreciate each and every one of you. And to our same one since day one, well, much love and appreciation. We appreciate each and every one of you for going on this YouTube journey with us. We are 4 months in now and we're having fun. It's been so nice meeting all of you nice ladies and talking with you. In this video, I want to share with you. Okay, I'm back. Camera almost died on me, but as I was saying, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some decorations that I made for a very special young lady, and it was actually her 16th birthday, her sweet 16. And this video will show you what I made for the centerpiece for the cake table. And there will be a follow-up to this video, a second video, and in that video I'll be showing you what I made as a party favor. So I hope you'll stick around and I hope you enjoy the video. And thanks for watching. The supplies that we'll be using include this size 3T to 4T child's dress form, and I bought it at Amazon. It was $45.99. And you can find them cheaper, but I happen to like the wooden stand that this one was sitting on. And when you see the inspiration piece, you'll know why. This is a size 3T pair of child's shorts coveralls, and I've already cut the bottom out of them. 2 hair bows that were bought at Hobby Lobby. We have our glue gun, and we have our bling crystals that were bought at Hobby Lobby. This is some bling wrap that I've had. I've had this probably 2 years or more, and it was from an old project. Maybe one day I'll show you what I did with it. I bought the 2 numbers to make the 16. This is a size small tutu. I got it from Amazon, $9.99. And then I bought a larger tutu that you see there on the table, and that was from Hobby Lobby also. So we're just going to start to dress our form. I'm going to start by putting our coveralls on and then adjust the straps, to size. Just checking to make sure everything has a pretty snug fit. Okay, looking good. Then we'll go ahead and put on the larger size tutu. And you will definitely need 2 of them because the tutu is sheer. So you'll need 2 of them to give you some good coverage. This one happened to be longer than the other one also, and I ended up liking the effect that it had. And here we're just gonna get it glued down, and we'll do that all the way around, so we can make sure that it's secured. And then we'll place the shorter blinged out tutu. We'll place that on top. Okay, once you have it adjusted to how you want, then you're going to glue this one down also. And I actually glued it to the coverall, just a little bit above the one that's underneath. Okay, it's coming along. Then you'll take your bling wrap and just hot glue it around. And the stars and the bling on that tutu is coming off really pretty. It was kind of spectacular in person. Okay, we'll just get it glued all the way around. Here we go. And we're just gluing down that little end piece. Okay, and it's coming along. Looking really pretty. And next is the longer part, and I actually did this off camera. Just bedazzling the bows, getting all the crystals glued down. I actually did that off camera. Okay, and once I had all of my jewels, my crystals placed on, then I just put a little glue on there, and we're gonna glue the shorter one to the neck. Just holding, trying to get our glue to set, and it is already looking so pretty. I used two different color crystals, a clear and a blue color, to match the blue jean. And then we're going to place the larger one right at the midline. Okay. And then here we come with our numbers, 1 and 6, and I did go back and adjust that number 6 a little bit. It looked just a little bit off center and tilted a little bit. I did go back and fix that. This is my inspiration piece that the mom showed to me, and this is what I use as my guideline for making the centerpiece. And now I present to you Sweet 16 Cake Table Centerpiece. And it came out really pretty. I was very happy with it. The whole process probably didn't even take me 30 minutes. Once you get all of your supplies together, it just, it doesn't take very long at all. Probably the longest part was actually getting all of the crystals glued to the bows. But it was for a very special young lady, and I didn't mind at all. I actually enjoyed it. And here it is on the cake table. Ladies, make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is so very short. Happy birthday, Christy.